Magandang araw mga kabaro. Welcome sa All Maritime Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe and click the notification bell para sa susunod pa naming mga videos. Bago tayo magsimula, gusto naming pasalamatan ang aming mga subscribers and followers dito sa All Maritime. Gusto naming malaman ninyo na ang inyong pag-subscribe ay nakaka-inspire sa amin para gumawa ng mga bago pang videos.
In this video, we will be discussing about the Marina Merchant Marine Officer's Theoretical Exam, step-by-step guide, under the new system. Before we start, let us remind you of the following. Number 1. Make sure that your MISMO contact information is up to date. All information, instructions, and transactions, with, and coming from Marina will be through your contact information and MISMO. Number 2. Exam applications and evaluations are now online. Therefore, examinees are no longer required for personal appearance. Number 3. After approval of exam application, Marina will now provide free exam reviewer to examinees, through the Marina Competency Reviewer portal. MCRP already contains all questions and answers for the actual exam. This means that examinees no longer need to pay for review materials. Number 4. If examinees fail the initial theoretical exam, they can apply for resit exam for the failed function only. If examinees failed 3 times, they need to take refresher course related to the failed function, and apply for exam to retake all functions. Basic theoretical exam requirements. Number 1. Graduate transcript of record for operational level, or certificate of competency for management level, and COP for required STCW trainings. Number 2. Certificate of seagoing service, or Company C service record. Number 3. SIRB first pages and entries, especially those with POAE stamps. Number 4. Medical certificate in PEME format. Medical certificate on board is valid if not expired. Theoretical examination flow. Step 1. Application. Sign into MISMO system. Click Select Transactions. Select Exam Type. Click Proceed. Upload required documents. Then click Submit. Step 2. Online evaluation. This will usually take 2 to 3 days after submission. If it exceeds, please follow up. Personal appearance is not required. If your uploaded requirements are incomplete, comply required and resubmit, or follow instructions from Marina. Step 3. Final evaluation. If online evaluation is approved, set appointment date for final evaluation. On the appointed date, pay corresponding fee. Evaluation will usually take 2 to 3 days. If it exceeds, please follow up. Personal appearance is not required. If there is any problem with the application, comply required and resubmit, or follow instructions from Marina. Step 4. Review or skip. If final evaluation is approved, you have 2 options. Option number 1. Review using the free reviewer from Marina through the Marina Competency Reviewer portal. This is highly recommended because it is free and it contains all the questions and answer for the exam. Option number 2. Skip the review proper and proceed to the next step. Step 5. Exam scheduling. After review, or skipping review, set your exam schedule and venue. Once exam schedule is set, exam permit can be generated through your MISMO exam application. Just remember that once schedule is set, you can no longer access MCRP. So if you opt to use MCRP reviewer, do not set schedule until you finish reviewing. Step 6. Take the exam. On your chosen exam schedule, go to the venue at least 30 minutes before exam time starts. Use Type B uniform and bring SIRB or valid ID. You can bring a copy of your permit or a basic calculator, but this are optional. If you failed the exam, apply resit exam through MISMO. If passed, certificate of passing will be uploaded on your MISMO account on the same day or the next day. After receiving certificate of passing, you can now proceed with practical assessment process. That is the end of the theoretical examination process. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our video to all aspiring merchant marine officers.
Kung sa tingin mo, makakatulong ang video na ito, sa iba pa nating mga kabaro, please like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell para sa mga susunod pa naming mga videos. Follow us also on our Facebook page at All Maritime. Thank you.